Hello everyone, we are back again. Today I am going to share with you our brand new Python career program. What is Python career program? This is a complete Python tutorial that will help you to become a full stack Python developer. What you will learn? We will start from the basics of programming, then we will move to introduction to Python, variables, data types, operators, conditional statement, Python loops, for and while loop, break and continue keyword, list, tuple and dictionary. Then we will move to functions, file handling, Python object-oriented programming. We will explore all the popular libraries and framework like Turtle for graphics, Tkinter for GUI, Django for web development, Selenium for automation and NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib for data analysis. Why you should choose this career program? This career program is absolutely free. This is the only Python course that will help you to learn programming concepts, GUI development, web development, automation and data analysis. You will learn to solve more than 20 plus real world application and 100 plus assignments. You will get study materials along with the videos. Every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, you will get the video tutorials. Must subscribe Tech Solution to access this Python bootcamp absolutely free and stay tuned with us by pressing the notification bell.